Walter wants to play. Walter and his mum see some rabbits.
Look, what are they doing, Mum?
They're playing chess, Walter.
Walter wants to play chess too.
Can I play? No, you're too big.
Look at our game. Oh.
Walter and his mum see some monkeys.
"18, 19, 20, 21."
What are they doing?
Shh. They're playing hide and seek.
Hello, can I play?
No, you're too noisy.
Walter is very sad.
Oh, the other animals don't like me, but I want to play.
The rabbits and the monkeys are sad too.
Oh,
What's he doing? He's crying. Oh, we're sorry. You can play with us.
Walter is happy now.
What's he doing?
He's playing tag with his new friends.